Hi guys, today I'm just going to quickly show you how to play Welcome to ROBLOX Building. A lot of people have asked me how to play, or I've just seen players in the game not knowing what to do. They just walk around because they don't get that they like how to build. So I'm just going to show you right now how to do that. So first, when you spawn, you'll spawn on a spawn location here, and right in front of you will be your base plate. The only place in the game that you can build is on your base plate here. Now to build, you would want to use the stamper tool here, so you would press 1 on your keyboard or click it with your mouse to open it. Then you'll get this menu. So what you want to do is basically click on the sets here and then select the item you want, and then it'll say loading, and it'll load in the game. Now you can just place your items here, and that is basically how you build. Now you can use the second tool to delete it. As I just showed you, you want to place your blocks here, and then you can just delete them with your delete tool. That is how you delete items. And you also use the third tool here to rotate items. The rotate tool doesn't work right now at this time, but that's how you would rotate items. Another way to rotate items, when you're stamping, you can press R on your keyboard. I'm pressing R right now to rotate. Now these last two tools are some more advanced tools. You got config and wire. Now the way config works is if, for example, you placed a speaker, you would configure it to edit the volume or the sound ID. And to get a sound ID, and the sound ID links to the sound. So to get a sound ID, you go to your inventory and find your audio. And the audio link has the ID in it. This number right here is what you want to copy. So you would copy that number and you'd paste it in here. And then you'd set the volume to 1, which is the loudest. Now to wire it, like as you can see, it's not playing anything right now. The way that you would get it to play something is to use a source of power, like for example a lever, and what the wiring tool does is it allows you to link them up like that. And it works. That's how it is done. You can also use wiring to take advantage of these gates, and you can make some pretty intricate things with the game. You can experiment that yourself. You can also change it to change how certain doors work, like for example the space hatch. We have it configurable for the friend mode for everyone to be able to do it, to go in the door, friends to be able to go in the door, and best friends, which isn't really a thing in Roblox anymore, so it doesn't actually mean anything, and only me, so now only I can go through this door. And that is how you play the game. Now other people, they have their bases and you can like them as well, and you can just vote for them. Apparently I already voted for this base at some point. You can also color your base plates and like your base plates, or clear your base plates with these color buttons. And your builds do actually save here. Like for example, you see these 3 bricks. If I close out and rejoin the game, you will see that those 3 bricks stay, as well as my color of the base plate and the amount of experience points I had on the leaderboard, as shown. I hope this helped. Have fun building.